welcome back to our 5th class video. I am Sandhya Vijayakumar of Mathura Higher Secondary School. Today we will learn about the topic force. As you can see, right from 3rd standard you are keeping on reciting the definition push or pull of an object is called force. So here with these two words we will just try to identify the special definition for force. Okay. Two words I am specifying, push and pull. What is actually push and pull? See, theoretically when we are speaking, something which is moved away from us, okay? Something which is moved away from us, it is called as push. Then the object which is being moved toward to us, that means we are pulling the object towards our side, that is called pull. We will just see with this example. See, look at here. See, this I am having it is a cardboard box. You can see, yes. Now my hand is near to the box. Now what I am doing, I am just moving it away from me. You can see the distance of my hand. The object is moved away from me. Okay. Now this action is called, it is called push. Okay, I am pushing the object. Next, the opposite actions you can see, this box again with the help of my hand, I am moving it towards me. Now, the size of my hand, it is being decreased. Okay, now this box has come towards me. So, this action it is called pull. Okay children, push and pull. Same as you can see, you all are having a door at your home. What are you doing? When you want to open the door, you are pushing, okay, and when you want to close the door, you are pulling the door back to your side. So this is the definition of force, an object which is being pulled and pushed, that some force is being applied. Okay children, now let's see the different types of force. Now here children, we are having, today we will learn about the 5 types of force. Okay, through the examples. First it is muscular, magnetic, elastic, gravitation and electrostatic. Now what is muscular? The word muscular defines, which is specifying on the word muscle power. Okay, so whatever you are doing, I am decorated my board, I have written on the blackboard with the chalk, I am holding this box with my hand and fingers, I am catching this my purse. Everywhere I am acquiring my muscle power. Okay, that means my muscles are keeping on in working condition. When you are coming to school, you hold to your bag on your shoulders. There also your muscle is carrying some load on your back. So whatever force which is being applied with the muscle power, it is called muscular force. Next it is our magnetic force. The word itself defines you. Magnetic force, it is always with the magnets. Okay, you all know what are magnets. Magnet, it is a substance which attracts metals, mainly the ions. So to show an example, I am having a small size magnet. This you can see in any of your purse. Okay, so this is my nail. Okay, nail. And what I am going to do is, it is made up of iron. I am just bringing this object towards the magnet. Now see what happens. It gets stuck to it. Without my control, this iron nail has been pasted over the magnet. This means magnetic force, it is a force which attracts other objects towards itself. Okay. Yes. Children, our next force, it is about elastic force. Elastic force, and this elastic force we can see through a elastic rubber band. Okay, here I am having a elastic rubber band. Okay, now this is the original size of this rubber band. Okay, original position. Now what I am going to do, I am just pulling it from both the sides. I have stretched it. This process is called stretching. That means the size of the rubber band has increased. As you can see, the size has been increased. Okay, I have pulled it from both the directions. and when I am leaving my hand, it again comes back to its original position. So this force is called elastic force. The force which requires elasticity. That means the change happens in the size of the object. First it was a short size. When we are stretching, the size increases. Okay children? Yes. Now coming back to the other force, that is the gravitational force. Okay. Now gravitational force, it is related to the force towards the Earth. That means Earth is having some capacity to catch all the objects towards itself. For example, we will see it through the balls, paper balls. I am having this paper ball. Now I am going to throw the ball upward direction. Let's see what happens. Yes, when I am throwing it, you might have seen the ball has gone in downward direction. Okay. Why does it happen? Because our Earth has the capacity to catch all the objects towards its central portion. That is called gravitational force. Okay, that is why we are able to stand on this floor. Otherwise, we might be flying in the sky. Okay, children. Our last force, it is electrostatic force. Now, this electrostatic force, it is somewhat related to our magnetic force. What actually the electrostatic force? I will say it before seeing this. Let's see this example. I am having a scale and some bits of paper we can see on this bench. Now what I am going to do is that with this scale I am going to rub it on my head. Okay, keep on rubbing. What actually happens while rubbing is that our scale becomes charged. Okay, some charge it gains. See, you have to rub it and let's see whether it gets stick to this. See, actually it is not being rubbed. When you are rubbing very harshly, you can see some charges this scale acquires. This you can do with your comb also. See, this bits of paper, it is coming towards my scale. See. Have you seen children? So this is what is called electrostatic force. Okay, that is some charges, the scale gets charged when we are rubbing it on a surface, and when we are showing it to the paper automatically come and stuck to the scale. Very much equal to our magnetic force. Okay children, hope you understood with these examples what are these different types of forces. Till we meet in the next video, take care and be at your home. Thank you.